Hi, I'm Francois, and I'm really excited to be here to talk about our new mobile application called Tangle. So Tangle is an app designed for emergency services for homeowners in Austin. So there are already a lot of players out there, but what differentiates Tangle is matching the urgency. So we remove also, we, yeah, we remove also, my God. Okay. So we're, oh my God. So we remove also the call center, and also people can choose what they want to. So people choose what the best for themselves.